Hey everyone, and today I'm going to be showing you guys everything I've received this week as a content creator, and I'm going to let you know also how I received them, which platform I received them from, and I've got a few things that I did receive. I've already opened a few of them so I could show you guys, and some of these I might not even open because I need to put them on my TikTok account. So if you haven't already followed me on my TikTok, it's nishat.t.k. Make sure you go and follow me over there. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let's get going. First up is this lock that I requested a sample on TikTok, so I'll send this as a sample to try, and I am so impressed. So basically I wanted a lock that I could use on my carry case. So if you guys don't know, I'm going on holiday soon, so I thought let me request this to try it out, and I'm so impressed because you only need your fingerprint to unlock it. And when I'm going on holiday, I'm always scared that my trolley is going to go missing or someone's going to try to break into it or try to steal something. So I feel like this is such a cool idea and I can't wait to use this. And the fact that if you charge this, the battery life lasts for 6 months. Call me paranoid, but I requested this item locator, and it's basically like an AirTag. My AirTag, I don't know why, but because I can't remember my Apple ID, I can't get it to connect to my phone. So I got this. It's around £3, but because I was sent this, I'm gonna get another one for my other luggages and stuff. So this is the item locator, and it's so cool. You can literally connect it to your Find My items on your phone, and you can locate where your luggage is or anything like that. The reason why I'm so paranoid is my cousin's stuff got stolen on the airplane, and even my dad's luggage got lost in the airport, so I feel like I need a good item locator. Next, I got this digital camera. It comes with a flip screen, which is perfect. I can record myself. It reminds me of those olden days cameras, and I think everyone has their hands on these, like the Sony kind of sort of cameras. I really wanted one, and it was so affordable as well. Like the price is really good if someone was actually going to buy this camera. It comes with a flash, and I've been taking some videos and also pictures with this. I will be inserting it in my TikTok video, so if you guys are interested, make sure you guys go and check my TikTok account. The only serious issue that I had with this is that when recording, the monitor is a little bit behind, so it's a little bit laggy, but other than that, I really did like this camera. This is another camera, and this is a waterproof camera, so when I'm vlogging, I have the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera, but I am not going to be putting that into any water because it's not waterproof. So I really wanted an action camera sort of thing that's quite affordable as well, so I requested this on TikTok and they sent me this camera. I feel like it's such a good camera. It's not the best quality, but I feel like it does sort of do the job. I could insert some footages and it gives that sort of memory aesthetic. I will also be showing this on my TikTok, so make sure you guys check that out. As a content creator, you're always trying to improve the sound quality, the lighting quality. This is a wireless microphone. I think I actually bought this. This wasn't sent to me from TikTok. I really needed a microphone for my iPhone. I'm currently recording with my DJI, so the microphone is not needed, but this is basically a microphone that you use, and you just have to connect this to your iPhone. So it has a Type-C port, or you could use this one if you have an iPhone. So I currently have my iPhone 13, and then you could just attach one of these mics onto your body, and the quality of videos are going to be so good. The next thing I requested on TikTok shop is this sign. So because of my YouTube video, I really wanted something that I could put on the background to look a little bit more aesthetic, and in the end of my videos I usually say love you, bye bye, and I feel like this would be such a cute backdrop to have. It literally says love you and bye. I requested this sunset projector lamp for my daughter. She loves anything that has a lot of color, LED lights, so I feel like she really liked this. It's such a pretty lamp, and it comes with this remote where you could change all the colors, so you have the options for all of these colors to project from this lamp. It's so cool, and she really loves it. I tried it on, and she was just literally just staring at the lights. Next, I have these Trigwell powder puff. I was so surprised when they actually sent me these. I bought one of the powder puffs. So this one contains 2 powder puffs, and they are the perfect size. They are huge, and I had mine for over a year and they haven't gone bad at all. They're still really good quality, so I can't wait to replace mine soon. So these are the ones in black. My one was actually a limited edition for Valentine's Day. It's such a nice red color powder puff, and also this one comes with another 2 powder puff. The quality of these powder puffs are insane. They are so good. Nothing compares to them. Next, we have makeup brushes, and I requested these because they are supposed to be a dupe for the NARS brush, and NARS brushes are really expensive, and there's a specific shape of the brush that's supposed to help you with contouring. So let me show you guys. It costs around like 30 or 50 pounds, I'm not sure. This is the brush. If you know which one I'm talking about, you will know. So this is the shape. It's supposed to fit really nicely to do your contouring, and this is really affordable. So I think it was around like £4 or something, and it also comes with another brush in the set. So let me show you guys. So it comes with this makeup brush as well. This looks like something from Harry Potter, like a wand or something. Next is this hijab from Know the Label on TikTok, and I was so happy that they accepted my request for this because this hijab looks so beautiful. If you guys know, I've been obsessed with modal hijabs during summer, and I bought so many from Bella, and the quality of the Know the Label hijabs are really good. I did buy one that was like a printed hijab from them before, and this one I requested, and the print is insane. It's such a beautiful print. It's like an ombre from grey to black. They have other beautiful colors, but I'm a black hijab wearer. I wear black hijabs all the time, so I thought this would be really nice. I am going to show you guys how it looks on my TikTok. I also received this hairdryer styling tool, and I really like it. It's supposed to be like a dupe for the Dyson Airwrap and the Dyson products. I use this every single day after I wash my hair, or even just for styling it. So it's basically the round brush, so it's supposed to smooth, defrizz, add volume and bounce. I'm just reading off the manual so I know what it's supposed to be doing, but I like to use it to dry my hair and also to make sure that it's not as frizzy and puffy. This is the hairdryer head, and it's supposed to really help to speed up the time to hairdryer hair. This is the hair straightener brush, so it's supposed to brush your hair out and also straighten it at the same time. It comes with a left and right wrap curler, so it's supposed to automatically sort of wrap your hair around and then give you the nice curls. I'm not a person that likes curls, but my sister uses these and she really likes them. It's supposed to add volume, whereas this one is just supposed to give that smooth effect to your hair. To also massage your head. Comes with a heat protecting glove as well. I really love this set. I'm going to be taking this on holiday with me. Even though I'm a hijabi, I like to make sure that my hair is not frizzy underneath my hijab, and I feel like this does a really good job. Last thing from TikTok are these LED lights. Like I mentioned already, as a creator, we're always trying to improve the video quality and the audio quality, but unfortunately I don't have much space when recording my video, so I can't have those big soft boxes. I'm always trying to find compact lighting solutions. I have so many of those clip-on lights that you see on TikTok, so let me show you. I have one here actually. So you know these clip-on lights, I bought so many from Amazon and also TikTok. These work really well, so if you're a beginner getting into content creation, then definitely get yourself some of these. But I feel like I need something that I can plug into the walls and have continuous light, so this looked like a good option, and it's very sleek. So you got two lights in this one box. I even have a really big light, but I don't have the space to put it in. I will just store it away somewhere, so hopefully when I get more space I will be able to set that up and make my own like studio area. Most of my things that got sent to me this week were from TikTok, but here are some Ardell lashes that were sent to me. These are pressed on lashes where you don't need any glue, which I feel like is so cool when it's traveling and stuff like that, so you don't need to worry about taking any adhesive. For the plane I might take this because I don't want to have to take adhesive with me. And yeah, so these are cluster lashes, and these were sent from an agency, by the way. We have the Dauber First Spray Serum. This is the best-selling spray mist on Amazon, and I'm so excited to try it. This contains white Italian truffle, and when I was doing my research to find out the benefits of white Italian truffle, I realized how expensive it is. I literally feel like this is made out of gold now, and it's supposed to give you radiant and hydrating skin, and for all I know this better give me radiant and hydrating skin if it contains such expensive ingredients. And I received this off Skeepers, by the way. It's a platform for content creators. And that's it for this video. This is everything that I received this week as a content creator. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and make sure you guys go onto my TikTok where I will be talking about some of these products in a little bit more detail.